Alright, for this sample everything, what you're going to do is complete at least one of the suggested projects from the module linked right here that pushes you to learn at least one new skill about a program of your choice. And when post, you're going to complete these sentences. You're going to put the project you chose and the name of the project, the new skill that you learned and the program name, and then the new skill that you learned within that program, what tutorial, a link to the tutorial you followed to learn that skill, and then a link or the actual file of whatever you created. In order to do this, you're going to start by just holding the control button on your keyboard and then click this link. No such thing as done inspiration ideas. You can actually come back to this anytime you want when you're caught up for the week and you're not quite sure what to do. This is a really good place to get ideas of how to apply what you learned in the programs you've learned how to use. So within this module right here, you're going to pick one of these discussions. So pick a discussion based on the program that you want to keep working with. The only one that's not as clear is virtual reality. Just has to do with using CoSpaces for VR headsets. So for example, let's say I want to work with Photoshop, but all of these work exactly the same. Click and go into the discussion. Read through these different project ideas. So for example, Album Art Master. Ever dreamed of having your band design an awesome album cover for it? And then this tutorial would show you how to do that. So this would be an example of one of the projects. So the project you chose would be one of these things. And that's if you want to work with Photoshop. If you want to work with other programs, click into the program that you'd most like to learn and continue learning how to use. Maybe it's Homestyler. And then you have all these different ideas of projects you could do in Homestyler with a little tutorial that would show you how to execute that project. Go through, follow the tutorial, finish your project. If you have questions or you need to learn more things, let me know. I can help you figure out where to learn those things. So then you'll write about what new skill you learned how to use in whatever name of the program it was that you were working with, what tutorial you used to learn that, and then post your actual creation.